This man was forced to have sex with hundreds of women whether he wanted to or not. Known as Pata Seca, he stood at over 7 feet tall and is said to have fathered over 200 children. He was one of many slaves, known as a stud breeding slave, that were prized for their ability to produce strong, healthy children. Instead of working out in the fields, he was forced to impregnate enslaved women with or without consent. Slaveholders forced slaves to have babies because each child meant another slave that could work or be sold for profit. The despicable practice had many levels to it, from slaveholders renting a stud like Pata Seca for a night to come and impregnate the female slaves, to all-out breeding farms where a handful of men would be forced to impregnate a large group of women. The goal of these breeding farms was to produce as many children as possible to be sold as if they were cattle. The farms were so widespread in Virginia that the state's main export wasn't a crop, it was slaves. It wasn't until 1865 that these men, women, and children were finally officially free.